Maria, the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell is going to say the economy is very strong. He is hinting that the Fed will be on the sidelines as the Federal Reserve goes throughout the rest of this year, unless the data, he says, changes. But there would be no interest rates or hikes or cuts related to him, according to the Powell's speech here. Now, Powell believes that inflation will get back to that 2% target in 2020. However, he says in all of 2019, both PCE inflation and core PCE inflation were at 1.6%, well below that Fed's target. And the Fed chairman says that consumer spending is driving this economy. He did, however, say that he saw consumer spending sort of taper off a little bit at the end of last year, but he says that household spending fundamentals are still there to go into 2020. He sees that going forward. Now, home sales, the Federal Reserve chairman says that in the second half of last year, he saw home sales tick up. They were down. They were a little bit weaker in the first half, second half going up. He sees that strong into 2020. Now, Powell's telling the committee that some trade uncertainty, that there's been slower global growth and trade uncertainties has made business investment weaker. He sees those uncertainties clearing up a little bit. However, there are some risks. And one big risk, specifically the Federal Reserve chairman will say, is the coronavirus. They're watching this very closely, according to the Federal Reserve chairman, and he is concerned that it would cause disruptions in China that would spill over to the global economy. Now, the second half of Powell's speech will focus on productivity. He says that there should be a national gauge for how the economic expansion is going, and it should be a national priority to get labor force participation rate up as well as productivity up. And he also is telling lawmakers that to get there, the sustainable budget needs to be on the horizon here. The Federal Reserve chairman says that the federal funds rate is so low, close to the zero lower bound, there may be fiscal policy needed to help in the case of a severe downturn. Now, he does not see a downturn coming, but the federal budget needs to be on a sustainable path to get there. Now, one last thing in this report, not in his speech, in the report he's going to say that the fine print, the risk of a recession in the next 12 months has diminished noticeably. And that is what this report says, according to the Federal Reserve. So he does not see a recession within the next 12 months.